Welcome to the latest OpenClaw release, version 2026.3.8. We're excited to bring you a plethora of new features and fixes that will take your OpenClaw experience to the next level. In this release, we've focused on improving your workflow with local state archives, remote gateway tokens, and enhancements to talk mode, TUI, and web search tools. With 11 changes and 46 fixes, this update is packed with goodies. Let's dive in and explore the highlights of this release. From backup and restore options to improve chat functionality, we've got you covered. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started and see what's new in OpenClaw v2026.3.8. One of the most significant additions in this release is the introduction of local state archives. With the new OpenClaw Backup Create and OpenClaw Backup Verify commands, you can now easily create and verify backups of your OpenClaw state. This feature is especially useful for users who want to ensure their data is safe and secure. The only config and no include workspace options provide flexibility in what you want to backup, and the manifest/payload validation ensures the integrity of your archive. But that's not all. We've also added backup guidance and destructive flows to help you make the most of this feature. For our macOS users, we've added a remote gateway token field for remote mode. This feature allows you to preserve existing non-plaintext gateway remote token config values until explicitly replaced, and warns when the loaded token shape cannot be used directly from the macOS app. This enhancement provides an additional layer of security and flexibility for remote mode users. With this feature, you can now easily manage your remote gateway tokens and ensure seamless connectivity. We've also made significant improvements to talk mode with the introduction of the talk silence timeout MS config option. This feature allows talk to wait a configurable amount of silence before auto-sending the current transcript, while keeping each platform's existing default pause window when unset. This enhancement provides more control over your talk mode experience and ensures that your transcripts are sent at the right time. With this feature, you can now customize your talk mode to fit your specific needs. Our TUI has also received some love in this release. We've added the ability to infer the active agent from the current workspace when launched inside a configured agent workspace, while preserving explicit agent session targets. This feature provides a more streamlined TUI experience and ensures that you're always working with the right agent. With this enhancement, you can now focus on your work without worrying about agent selection. Our web search tools have also been updated in this release. We've added an opt-in tools web search Brave mode LLM context option that allows web search to call Brave's LLM context endpoint and return extracted grounding snippets with source metadata. This feature provides more accurate and relevant search results and ensures that you're always getting the best possible information. With this enhancement, you can now take your web search experience to the next level. In addition to the new features and enhancements, we've also fixed a total of 46 issues in this release. Some notable fixes include updates to the macOS launched restart, macOS app/chat UI, Android/Play distribution, Telegram/DM routing, and Matrix/DM routing. We've also fixed issues with Faciu/plugin onboarding, plugin/channel onboarding, config/runtime snapshots, and gateway/control UI. These fixes ensure that your OpenClaw experience is stable, secure, and free of bugs. Some specific fixes include re-enabling disabled launch agent services before update or bootstrap, routing browser proxy through the local node browser service, and removing self-update, background location screen, record, and background mic capture from the Android app. That's it for this release of OpenClaw. We're excited to bring you these new features and fixes, and we're confident that they'll improve your overall experience. To recap, some of the top takeaways from this release include local state archives, remote gateway tokens, talk mode improvements, TUI enhancements, and web search tool updates. Be sure to check out the full release notes for more information. If you're ready to try out these new features, head on over to the release link to download the latest version of OpenClaw. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates and news from the OpenClaw team. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.